Hello, my friends. So Coosberry sent this over to me and asked me to review it. So I thought I would go through and do an unboxing first and show you everything in the kit. It really is like everything you need. They even sent over like a scraper and you can kind of use it as a cuticle cleaner, but it's not a pusher. It's like if you have invisible cuticle, you can kind of scrape it off, but mostly it's a remover. So yeah, let's get in here. These containers are unbelievably well sealed. I tried to get into this for a while, so I'm gonna have to use like my tweezers or something to cut into these. But that means they won't spill, and they'll only open when you are ready to get into them. So this kit contains mostly neutrals, grays, creams, and shades of pink and mauve. So very cool. Good going into like autumn and winter. You get a brush. You have the extra brushes in case you harden your brush or contaminate it. You have a file. You have here's the scraper and the remover. So once you are soaking your nails off with acetone, you can use that to quicken the removal. You have your dip gel top, which is actually like a thicker top coat. It's not gel. You don't need a UV light. The consistency is nice and thin, so it'll be easy to work with. Then we come to, like, all the bottles are color coded, so you can tell which one you're working with. We have this is the activator. Yeah, so the activator has a little flow control in there so you don't flood it, which can sometimes like over harden or mess up your dip. And then this is the base coat, which is a similar consistency to the top coat. So nice and thin. You're not likely to flood your cuticles with this. I didn't notice too strong of an odor. My eyes weren't burning when I got close to the bottle. So yeah, I'm excited to work with this. Everything looks great. I went back in to check. I wasn't sure if each bottle had a flow control, but only the activator does. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while we looked at these. Please do all the YouTube things, like, comment, subscribe. Go check out my other social media, and thank you so much again. Take care.